Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water inlet valve wire harness in this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a putty knife. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the incoming water supply. Unthread the hot and cold water supply hoses from the inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the control panel assembly. Next, insert a putty knife under the front corners of the control panel housing to release the clips securing the housing. Disconnect the user interface control wire connector so you can set the control panel assembly aside. Note the orientation of the 3 wire connectors connected to the inlet valve. Then use the small flathead screwdriver to help detach the connectors. Release the wires from the valve retaining hook. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the inlet valve to the detergent dispenser housing. Pull the valve free and disconnect the sensor connector. You can now disconnect the wire harness connector from the control board to fully remove the old component. To install the new water inlet valve wire harness, first connect the connector to the control board. Connect the sensor connector to the valve. Then reposition the valve on the dispenser housing with the inlet ports inserted through the holes in the upper rear access panel. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Connect the 3 wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the valve. And secure the wires in the valve retaining hook. Reconnect the user interface control wire connector to the main control board. Insert the rear control panel housing clips into the rear slots in the main top first, then snap the front clips into place. Rethread the 2 rear screws to fully secure. Move the washer back against the wall. Attach the hot and cold water supply hoses to the appropriate inlet valve ports. Turn the water supply back on. plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.